I am on my way to a friend's house for a movie night. I'm very excited. I have no idea what movie we're gonna watch, but whatever it is, I'm pumped. But you know what I'm even more pumped for? Oh, it's so gorgeous outside right now. Like, fall has finally arrived. Well, as promised, I'm hanging out with a friend and watching movies. This is the friend, Kenny.
Hi, I'm the friend.
Kenny has been my friend for longer than I've been vlogging, but like, we didn't hang out for a while, so he hasn't been in the vlog. So Mallards, this is my friend Kenny. This is his bedroom. This is what my bedroom would look like if I was an aesthetic person instead of a chaotic person. Like, it's just covered in nerddom, but in like a nice, well laid out way, as opposed to my room, which looks like somebody threw up posters on the wall, which I'm not complaining about because I like it, but I just want to point out the difference. Megan would absolutely prefer this. But I want to talk about these. So these are comics. I don't actually know what the comics are.
Ninja Turtles.
Yeah, but like inside, are they Funko related? No.
No, well, this one is. This one was a one-shot that they did a Funko adventure. The rest of these were just cover variants for their normal ongoing series that they have now with IDW.
So they're lenticular covers of the pop vinyl boxes, and they're disturbing because, like, they look like they should be 3D and they're flat, so they freak me out. But they are pretty. This is the, you know, if you had to, like, make a guess about what Kenny's favorite intellectual property is, I think that you can probably correctly guess.
Mostly because,
yeah.
I mean, do you want me to tell
Yeah. Go for it.
Okay, well, I grew up over...
this is Michael. We're celebrating him tonight. He's going to pick the entertainment. So if I hate the movies, it's his fault.
Fair enough. Alright, I am going to go get the prizes from the vehicle.
Okay.
Alright, and your drink is still on the table.
Yay. Anywho,
Michael is also the bartender, and he makes a mean cider.
So, I grew up overseas in Italy, and we got everything like 10 years later from everybody else back in the olden days. And the only cartoon that I had growing up in English was Ninja Turtles. For some reason, they subtitled it instead of dubbing over it with everything else. So, I grew to be even more obsessed than, you know, the normal child who is already obsessed with Ninja Turtles. So.
We finished watching Batman Hush, and it's now tournament because it turns out that Michael brought prizes for everyone. So we're watching this, but I was enjoying Mustache Michael's commentary.
Zero had been taking out the Hulk all up on him on fake out, and it looked like Hulk made, and he's down again.
Ooh, I don't know. It's not going well here. Kenny was like, I'm really good at this, and I don't know how it's going for him here. Ooh. A serious showdown by Tyler here. Bringing it. Look at that cocky guy.
Mal is about to enter the tournament for Marvel vs. Capcom. Let's watch how she does.
Alright, wait. I need to pick a third person. Who the heck do I pick?
Girl, I know one more thing.
Pick Amy!
Pick Hulk.
Yeah.
This?
No.
Yeah, I'll pick the dog. That sounds great. Let's do...
Ooh, I know. Damn it, I want to pick this. That's okay, your choices are good.
I only cared about having Deadpool.
Nice.
And the rest of this... How do I switch between my characters?
You'll figure it out.
R1.
Yeah, well, that is the plan.
Alright, wait, pause. Don't attack yet. Let her figure out punches and kicks.
There is no mercy in this dojo.
I'm sorry. I just attack, okay? That's all I'm doing is pressing buttons.
Okay, now that is even. Time for the battle.
So we learned Mallory cheats.
I
You were like, wait, and then when he
do
waited.
that on purpose.
She's only pressing one button.
I move.
Deadpool is dead!
Oh, man, what am I going to do without GP?
That's
Deadpool is
Amy, that
already
one
dead.
kid.
Yeah, X23 is awesome. No, there she goes.
X23 is down.
Listen, I knew I wasn't gonna win.
Yeah!
I mean, I took one person down. That's the best we can hope for.
Oh, you got Wolverine down! Yeah! Dude. Here we go! Here we go!
We can do.
Oh, he blocked it! He blocked it! Didn't block that one. Oh, yeah!
Kick his ass.
It's still too early to call.
Oh, there we go! Oh, snap!
May have a hand.
Bun smash! Bun smash!
I'm down.
Yeah!
No, it's not over yet.
Oh, Walmart, you won! Yes!
Now Chad.
Yeah!
Now Chad.
I immediately got soundly beat in the second round I tried. Well, actually, that's not true. I like held on until almost the end. My button mashing was like respectable levels, but I did lose. Thank you, Michael, for the celebration and the drinks. Even though the tournament is not over, I have to go home because I have a busy day tomorrow. I say I see you tomorrow, and then I blow a kiss. So that's what you have to do. So, lovely Mallards, I'll see you tomorrow.
I have no idea what's going on.